Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. Happy Memorial Day weekend 2020. We made it, we're out of the house. Enjoying the heat. Here in Northeast Ohio it's 85. Very steamy. But it's so nice to be out of the house. Just enjoying the weekend. We're out at Cutty's Sunset Campground in Louisville, Ohio. Just kicking back. It's been nice. Quick pan around. Kind of a full house. Yep, pretty much full house. Unfortunately, pools are closed, so you're either out in your little yard that you have, or you're walking, or you're inside in the air conditioning because there's not a lot to do. Because of COVID, all their buildings are closed. They do have a little general store that sells ice cream and, you know, little things. That's open. Aside from that, all the buildings are closed. So you're pretty much just kind of on your own. Fishing, the fishing pond I heard was slow yet. It's still early in the season. I didn't even get out the fishing pole. So yeah, it's just a nice day out. Just enjoying ourselves. Camper's running good. One casualty so far. That is my Keurig. I filled the Keurig up with water. It started leaking. Oh. So, time for a new Keurig. Outside of that, we're just kicking back. Hope you all are having a great weekend too. I'm gonna maybe get out the portable fire pit here in a little bit. Get that going. We've had a lot of rain. Ground's pretty wet, so I might just get out the portable fire pit and just use that today. Get a fire going. It's about 5 o'clock right now. Might just go ahead and do that. Alright. Well, once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll leave it at that. Hope you all had a great weekend. Look forward to more videos. Season here is just starting. So thanks for stopping by. GoPro, stop recording.